14 things poor people waste their money on. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an eye-opening topic inspired by the legendary investor Warren Buffett. We're going to explore 14 things poor people waste their money on. Now, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Lottery tickets. Many people see lottery tickets as a chance to strike it rich, but the odds are incredibly slim. The average person spends hundreds of dollars a year on lottery tickets with almost no return. Instead of gambling on the lottery, consider putting that money into a savings account or investment fund. Over time, this can grow and provide real financial security. Remember, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to building wealth. Number 2. Expensive gadgets. It's easy to get tempted by the latest tech, but these often come with hefty price tags and don't always add significant value to your life. Instead of splurging on the newest smartphone or high-end gadget, ask yourself if you really need it or if your current device can still serve you well. Often, last year's model offers nearly the same features at a much lower cost. Prioritizing functionality over trendiness can save you a lot of money. Number 3. Brand name clothes. While it's nice to have quality clothing, splurging on designer brands can drain your wallet. Many times, you're paying for the label rather than the quality. There are plenty of affordable brands that offer stylish and durable clothing. Shopping sales, buying off-season, and considering second-hand options can also help you stay fashionable without overspending. It's about finding value and making smart choices. Number 4. Dining out. Eating out frequently can add up quickly, with restaurant meals often costing significantly more than home-cooked ones. While it's nice to treat yourself occasionally, making it a habit can take a toll on your finances. Cooking at home not only saves money but can also be healthier and just as delicious. Plus, you get to experiment with new recipes and improve your cooking skills. It's a win-win. Number 5. High-interest debt. Carrying high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can be a major financial burden. The interest can accumulate quickly, making it difficult to pay off the principal amount. Prioritizing debt repayment, especially for high-interest accounts, is crucial. Consider consolidating your debts or negotiating for a lower interest rate. Reducing your debt load can free up more money for savings and investments, paving the way to financial freedom. Number 6. Unnecessary subscriptions. With so many subscription services available, it's easy to forget what you're signed up for. These monthly fees can add up without you even realizing it. Regularly reviewing your subscriptions and canceling those you no longer use can save you a significant amount each month. It's important to distinguish between what's essential and what's a luxury that you can live without. Number 7. Impulse purchases. Impulse buying can wreak havoc on your budget. It's easy to be tempted by sales or attractive displays, but these unplanned purchases can add up quickly. A good strategy is to make a shopping list and stick to it. If you see something you want, wait 24 hours before buying it. This cooling off period can help you determine if you really need the item or if it was just an impulse. Number 8. Overpriced coffee. Those daily trips to the coffee shop can add up over time. While it might seem like a small expense, it can easily turn into hundreds of dollars a year. Making coffee at home can be a simple and effective way to save money. Plus, you can experiment with different brewing methods and flavors to create your perfect cup. Small changes in daily habits can lead to significant savings. Number 9. Buying new instead of used. Many items, from cars to furniture, can be purchased secondhand at a fraction of the cost and still be in great condition. Buying used can save you a lot of money and is often just as good as buying new. Websites like Craigslist, eBay, and local thrift stores can be treasure troves for high-quality, gently used items. It's all about finding value and being smart with your money. Number 10. Smoking and alcohol. These habits can be incredibly expensive and detrimental to your health. The cost of cigarettes and alcohol can add up quickly, draining your finances. Cutting back or quitting can save a significant amount of money and improve your overall well-being. Consider the long-term benefits to your health and wallet when making decisions about these habits. Number 11. Gambling. While gambling might seem like fun or a quick way to make money, the odds are rarely in your favor. It can lead to significant financial losses and even addiction. Finding alternative forms of entertainment that don't put your finances at risk is a smarter choice. Consider activities that offer enjoyment and relaxation without the potential for financial harm. Number 12. Late fees. These can be easily avoided by staying organized and paying bills on time. Late fees are an unnecessary expense that can be prevented with a bit of planning. Setting up automatic payments or reminders can help you stay on top of due dates. This simple habit can save you a lot of money over time and improve your financial health. Number 13. Extended warranties. These are often a waste of money since most products don't break within the warranty period. Retailers push these for extra profit, but many times they aren't necessary. Do your research before deciding if an extended warranty is worth the cost. Often, the manufacturer's warranty is sufficient, and you can save money by skipping the extended option. Number 14. Status symbols. Trying to keep up with the Joneses can lead to financial strain. Spending money on luxury items to impress others can deplete your resources quickly. Focus on what truly makes you happy and financially secure, rather than seeking validation through material possessions. True wealth comes from financial security and peace of mind, not from showing off status symbols. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these insights helpful. Remember, making smarter financial choices can lead to a more secure and prosperous future. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching,